Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another unboxing on Hungry Roots. So this box is going to be a little bit different because I decided to go the vegan route this time. So this box is going to be all vegan recipes. That way I can show you what they supply you with if you choose a vegan option, and if their recipes are inventive, any good, tasty, all that stuff that you'd probably want to know before actually buying the box. Now, if you haven't already, check out my first video I did on an unboxing on Hungry Root, and it'll show you just regular recipes. It explains how everything works. I'm going to explain it again, but first I wanted to mention that there is 30% off of Hungry Root. If you guys want to try it, there's going to be a link below for you guys. You can even get something that's free for life. They usually offer you a cookie dough option or a veggie option, so that on every single delivery it'll be in your box for free. So don't miss out on that. Get the link below. I'm going to leave it in the description box. So before we do the great unboxing, I'm going to briefly explain how Hungry Root works. So first, when you go onto their website, so Hungry Root is a one-click grocery trip that allows you to save time, eat healthy, and still love your food with tons of chef-crafted recipes delivered to your door. You start by taking a quiz to let them know what you like and what you don't, with the click of one of 3 simple options. You can specify any dietary needs such as vegan, vegetarian options, or allergens. Then you can choose your recipe preferences like grain bowls, flatbreads, or wraps. And they give you plenty of options here to really mix things up. So once you're done with that, it will show you all of the recipes you can choose from that falls in that criteria, or you can let them choose for you and keep it simple. So you can go with the chef's pick, or you can cancel those out and you can find your own recipes that you can add, the ones that you think that you're going to love. I personally love that they have smoothies and green juices. And once everything is in your cart, you can decide how many servings of breakfast, lunch, and dinner you want. And that's it. It's as easy as that. All right, now grab your friend Edward Scissorhands and let's unbox this thing. One of the things that I love that I wasn't able to show you in the other box is that it comes in this Climacell temper pack, and it is fully recyclable. It keeps everything nice and cold, and then at the very bottom it keeps ice packs so that your food doesn't go bad. So this is what it looks like when you first open the box, and then up top it usually keeps your recipe cards and then everything that it came with. So I'm going to show you guys my recipes here. There's 2 burgers that are Beyond Meat, and then a grain bowl, which is like a black bean skillet. It says that they're about 500 or 420 calories for 2 servings. They take roughly 6 to 8 minutes to make. And then if we go into the back, so it'll say the Beyond Burgers, almond chickpea cookie dough, which was actually very, very good. 1 bun, multi-grain, spinach. So this one had much less than the other one, but the other one I did pay more money on, and this one I believe was for roughly, let me think, I think it was for the $89, maybe $100 at most, so it was about $90, I believe. So I'm going to take these out, I'm going to put them on the table, spread them out so you can see everything that it came with. So these are the ice packs that I was telling you that were on the bottom. They are very big, very thick, and what I love about this, again, Enviro Ice, it's drainable gel and plant food, nitrogen based, and I just love the fact that you can recycle this whole thing, the box, these, and then even this you can dispose of. So my parents garden a lot, so we were really able to put these to good use. So this was everything that was in my smaller box. Again, if you want to see something that's in a larger box, go ahead and click on the link after this to see my other video. But this time I stuck to a lot of burgers because it's summer and we've been wanting to grill a lot. And I do want something that is a meat-free option. So it gave us 3 of these. And then, well, we'll move this way. It gave us some spinach, so that's going to be in some of the burgers. Some chopped lettuce. Some sprouted power hamburger buns. And then garlic and herb spice, so that's going to go on these before we cook them. Some of these multi-grain sandwich buns, which are a lot thinner. And then for some of the toppings, we have some cashew cheddar, some lemon tahini, and I believe that's for the rice bowls, brown rice quinoa blend. And then this is going, well, then this is, then topped on that will be the Cuban spiced black beans, which sounds actually really good. I had this last time, cucumber, corn, black bean salad. I love bean salads when it comes to the summertime. That can be a side. And then they always give me the almond chickpea cookie dough. I thought it sounded a little bit weird. You can eat it raw like this, or you can cook it up. Last time I cooked it, my daughter tried a little bit of it raw. We liked them both ways. And then we just have these. So these are fruit jerky. It's just dried fruit for mango. And that sounds really good. We usually get strawberry packs when we're at the store. So I'm gonna try the mango one. The last time they gave us these partake cookies, they were really good. They gave us the chocolate ones. This one is birthday cake, vegan, gluten-free, top 8 allergen-free. I thought that was really cool. So it's like gluten-free and nut-free and all that stuff. And then of course, I wanted to try some chocolate. So cashew butter plus pure vanilla bean, dark chocolate, 70% cacao. And it's vegan and paleo. So I'm very excited to see how that's going to taste. So if you guys are interested in seeing how some of these recipes unfold, don't forget to subscribe and put on notifications. That way you see when I upload these videos. So overall, I really do love the simplicity of Hungry Roots. I love that I'm getting groceries delivered to me, but I also love that I'm also getting recipes for those groceries. I'm not having to do that extra work myself. I am a busier person. I like being able to go home and cook things that are going to be 10 minutes or less, hopefully on the healthier end, and that can sometimes end up just being grain bowls or salad. So it's always nice to have somebody else plan that stuff out and then ship it to you. So if you guys work a lot or are mothers like I am, then you'll probably understand that point of view. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you are interested in trying Hungry Root for 30% off, don't forget to check out that link below. Don't forget to check out my other video of the unboxing if you want to see food that isn't vegan. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I love you. Have the greatest of days. Mwah!